Hello everyone, welcome to the 10th episode of Hobby in a Box. Today I'm really happy because we are completing the 10th episode, and for 10th episode I have got something special for you. As you all know, a lot of people asked a lot of questions on the chalkboard paint. So now I will be showing you how to apply the chalkboard paint on different medium. The first thing that we're going to use is this kulhar. I just love chai, I love tea, and so I have a lot of these kulhar at my home. So now we are going to use this kulhar and make it into a chalkboard paint kulhar. The first step with any project is to protect your area, and for the chalkboard paint the second step is to wear the glove. This is the most important step of using the chalkboard paint. Since the kulhar has very uneven finish, you just need to put one coat of chalkboard paint. In this one I have just put one coat of chalkboard paint and it looks really pretty. So let's do it. Painting these three, and this one that I showed you earlier, I have painted it inside also and it looks pretty uniform. So now we'll wait for about half an hour to 45 minutes for these to dry. The second thing on which we'll paint the chalkboard paint is this glass bottle. The glass is really tricky because the first thing, it comes with little stickers, and even when I put the stickers in the water and put the bottle in the water, the sticker does not come off properly, if you can see this. So what we'll do is, first of all we'll remove this glue residue from the bottle, and for that I am using this turpentine oil. If you do not have turpentine oil at home, then you can use your normal nail polish remover. You really need to scrub hard, even with the turpentine oil, to remove all the sticky glue residues. Now next what you're going to do is, you're going to use this sandpaper and rub your bottle all over with it. Because the thing is, if you apply paint now, the paint won't stick and it will just keep on dripping because the glass surface is so smooth. So now we'll apply the paint on the bottle, but do remember to wear the gloves. As you can see, the paint is sticking to the bottle and it's not just dripping down. And we also see that there's kind of streaks forming. Don't worry about it. We'll go 2 or 3 coats on the bottle. So all these streaks will just, the paint has dried. And before writing, what you need to do is you need to prime the surface. And what I mean by prime is that you will take your chalk and just rub it on all of the surface, sideways. After you have rubbed the chalk, then you will take a cotton or any swab that you can find and just remove the chalk. Now your chalkboard surface is ready to write. You can write on a surface with chalk, you can rub it with cotton or any swab that you have, but do not use water for the first 7 days. After 7 days, you can even rub it with water. So your chalkboard cups are ready. I'm done with 2 coats and now I'm priming the bottle. If I do not prime it, just see it's really sticky. And after priming, it will not be sticky and you can easily write on it. Now comes the part where we'll style it. So on this bottle, I have written, "Write on me, I love HIAB, Hobby in a Box." And this is how I style it. I put a indoor plant and some colored drops. All got to know how to use chalkboard paint on different medium. And if you like us, then please do subscribe to our channel, and do not forget that we make videos every week. So please go like us, share us and subscribe. Bye.